she know I'm gone. I see.
I'm here again, Chef Willie. Today I got some seafood for you guys. I'm gonna make it Chef Willie style, some platter. You know, I'm doing a little tweaking in my chef style. You know, if you haven't before, hope you guys go like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And here we go, guys. I'm doing up some cleaning up, and I got some shrimp and some salmon. I peeled all the stuff off the salmon, and I'm cleaned it. Wash it, guys. Remember to wash it, food, guys, with vinegar and a little lime juice. And I see right here, I got 2 fish. I'm about to cut these up, clean them, peel them real good. They're already scaled, but you got to make sure nothing is on it. Clean it real good. Yes, guys, that's how you properly wash and clean your fish. Rest it here for a minute. Yes, guys, that's how you do it in the fish. Take patience. So you clean your food, guys, and don't be afraid to wash and use vinegar as you clean your fish to get the scale off. It's very important. So yes, guys, my fish is clean. My salmon is clean. Drain the water off. You smell it? It's fresh. Everything in it is fresh. And my fish, I use 2 separate pans because I want to make sure everything is clean and seasoned right, and then I'm gonna put everything in one. Good. Wash and clean it with some lime and vinegar, guys. Get the raw smell out of your fish and to clean the blood and make your fish look clean. So now I'm gonna design it. That's how I call it, but I'm gonna cut it up and season them up first and cut it up. So the seasoning today I'm gonna use, guys, seasoning I'm gonna use today, guys, is black pepper. Add a little black pepper. Black pepper to my fish. So guys, always use a napkin. Get out the excessive water. So and then I go ahead and start seasoning my fish. I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Black pepper tastes really good on fish. You could just use black pepper alone, guys, and season your fish and fry it up and just enjoy it just like that. Fried fish with just a little black pepper. And you could add a little salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and season up my salmon a little bit. And my shrimp. Just put a little black pepper on top, guys. And then I'm gonna use, you could put a little adobe or all-purpose if you want, or some seasoned salt, anything you want to put. But if you got, I put a little paprika, guys, to my shrimp to give it a little color, flavor that you want. Paprika, just a little bit. I don't put any on my fish. Just add it to that, and go ahead and add my Jamaican choice seafood seasoning. I use a little bit more of that everywhere because it's seafood seasoning, and I flip and apply it. everywhere. Not too much, guys, just enough to give the food flavor. And I go ahead. A little slice of seasoning in it, and I'm cooking it for like 4 something. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my fish in half. It's very easy when you got a nice butcher knife, guys. As a chef, you gotta have all different type of tools, equipment to get the job done. Down in it. Top. The secret ingredients I'm gonna add to my platter. clean my board. Add my peppers. Normally I don't cut them because you could just add them, wash them, and throw them in. It's very simple and easy. And just put it in the oven. It's nicer when you put a lot of stuff, vegetables, different vegetables. You could add okra, you could add onions, peppers. You know, you're making a seafood, so I would recommend you put tomatoes in it, but carrots and a little pak chow. I'm gonna add some carrots in it now. Don't forget, guys, when you're home, don't forget to be creative, and you could go ahead and make your own platter with different stuff, with chicken or whatever, but this is a seafood platter. I'm gonna clean and strip my garlic. I'm gonna add a little garlic to it. Good, so just cut it up and just put it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little seafood seasoning on top. Not too much. It's a little bit kosher everything. Basically, that's it. So that's my seafood platter, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. I might add a little more butter on top. And covering it up. See, guys, seafood platter, and I just cover it up. Already got the microwave all set. Make sure it's properly sealed. Nothing can leak. Everything is set properly in the pan. Everything is leveled. And then you could go ahead, guys, and toss it in your oven. Set it at 300 degrees, guys, because set fish at 300 to 350 degrees. And when you're cooking chicken, you can set it at 2 to 250 degrees. So I set mine in the oven, and I'm gonna time myself. Now it's 10:20, So I'm gonna see how long. I'm gonna give it like an hour, 15 minutes, and then I'll check on it. Stay tuned, guys. As you can see, 15-20 minutes. Is now water's springing up from the side. You see my shrimp right there. It's very hot from the oven right now. It's 350. Turn down a little bit. So now I'm making sure nothing is sticking. Turn the corners a little bit. If you could flip something, you flip it so the other side could get cooked too properly. And let it, and go ahead and cover it again for another 15 minutes. Okay, Chef Willie in the building. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. You know what I mean? Some things set up.